In this video, I will show you how to change a country in Amazon. This should be a quick and easy process to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and change the country in Amazon, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, come across to Amazon and log into your account. Now, to go ahead and change the country in Amazon, what you want to do once you're signed in is come up to the top and you're going to see next to your name your flag up here. So you can see currently I'm shopping on amazon.co.uk, but if we actually hover over this, you can see there's a blue link here which says change country region. All you need to do is go ahead, give that a click, and that's going to take you to a page like this where you can select your preferred country region website. So what you want to do is click onto this drop down box and you can select from the list here which country you want to change to. So for example, if we wanted to change to France, I would click onto France, and then what you want to do is click onto the go to website yellow button at the bottom. Now after doing this, you're going to be redirected to that country. So you can see we're now on amazon.fr, which of course is the French version of Amazon. Of course, changing country will change the language as well. As you can see, everything is now in French, but that is how to go ahead and change country in Amazon. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.